Installing the Kohler Farmstead kitchen sink. This sink can be installed in either a top mount or wall mount configuration. This video demonstrates the top mount installation. A video demonstrating the wall mount installation is also available. For this installation, you will need the following tools and materials: safety glasses, measuring tape, pencil, level, drill with assorted bits, 100% silicone sealant, construction adhesive, rags, and support framing material. Caution: risk of personal injury or product damage. This cast iron sink is extremely heavy. Do not move or install this product without assistance. Kohler Company recommends that 3 people perform this installation. Wear appropriate safety equipment when installing this product. Observe all local plumbing and building codes. Construct a custom base cabinet that is at least 48 inches wide and 26½ inches deep. Use 2x4s to construct suitable support framing along the inside walls of the cabinet. The framing should be flush with the top of the base cabinets, directly under the countertop where the rim of the sink will rest. The inside edges of the framing should be at least 42 13/16 inches apart, and the front of the framing should be at least 23 7/8 inches from the wall. Ensure the support framing is level. Cut 4 additional 2x4 supports and install them vertically under the support framing to the floor. Secure the additional supports to the framing with screws and construction adhesive. Mark the location of the support framing on the back wall. Install the countertop. Cut out the supplied template on the solid line. Line up the edges of the template with the marks on the wall. Cut the countertop along the template. Cut a 1x4 piece of support framing for the back wall and install it flush with the top of the counter by fastening screws to the studs. Install the faucet to the sink. Caution: risk of personal injury or product damage. Cast iron sinks are very heavy. Get assistance lifting the sink. With assistance, lower the sink into the cabinet. Connect the faucet and install the drain to the sink. Apply a bead of 100% silicone sealant around the rim of the sink.